is the most loved top among all the items that I bought from Westside. Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about my Westside haul. So I recently went to Westside, and honestly, before starting this video, I'm telling you guys, Westside has leveled up their game, and I like visiting Westside these days. So in the past also I bought many things from a Westside. I'll make a video on that as well, but let's not lose our track, and without any further ado, let's get started. So I bought few tops from Westside, and my first top is, so the first thing that I bought from Westside is this cute top with white borders and navy blue color. I love this, you know, top. The material is so good. It's pure cotton and it hugs your body really well. So I really liked this one. I felt like this will suit me a lot, and you can pair it with shorts or jeans as well. I paired it with shorts. I'll add the clip, and yeah, absolutely in love with this one, so definitely want to keep it. And you guys can also buy it if you feel like your style is also similar. So yeah, that is the first top. Also, this top which I'm wearing currently, I'll add the photo also. This is the most loved top among all the items that I bought from Westside, and I'll show the whole look, but in the end, so you'll have to stay with me till the end of the video. So the next thing that I bought from Westside is this trouser. Okay, this is brown trouser which you can wear to to airport or whenever you are traveling somewhere. It's super comfy, and its material, it's not cotton, but it's comfortable and stretchable. And uh, what yeah, I love this one also. So it has pockets as well, two pockets in front, no and one pocket here also, right? Or is it just for the show? Okay, okay, cool. It's just for the design. So two pockets in the front. It has two pockets in the front. From back, it shows, it looks like it has a pocket, but that's just fashion. Whenever you're traveling, you want something comfortable, so this is the perfect thing which you can have. So I'm also keeping it. Then third item which I bought from Westside is this top, this halter neck top with buttons in front. They are just for the show, you can't unbutton them. So, and this is how the back looks like. I'll add a clip as well, and you can even pair it with the trouser which I showed you, and I actually paired it with that, and it was looking damn good. So material is super soft, it's not rough, so you'll not feel like you are wearing anything rough or कुछ चुभ रहा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगने वाला है तुम्हें. It looks classy when you wear it. It looks classy, subtle plus classy. Perfect definition for this top. So yeah, I'm keeping this one as well. Then third top, जिससे मैं थोड़ा disappoint हो गई. To be honest, that's not my style, but I thought I should experiment with it. So this was the third top actually, with a V shape in the end. So I had actually one or two similar tops, but not like with the stripes and I mean, somewhat they were similar but not exactly same. So I thought it would look good on me, but I was not looking good. It was tight. I mean, the fit was not that great. So when I wore it, it looked like it pressed my body tightly. So didn't like it at all on me. So I'm definitely not gonna keep it. Otherwise, material is soft, but the fit is not nice. So not keeping it. Then third thing bought which I bought is this tube top with the heart shape in front. So when you wear it, that heart shape makes it look so pretty on you, and I like the color maroon, and it's super stretchable, it's comfortable, you can wear it, you can go on any casual date with someone on coffee dates and wear it. And I paired it with my beige trousers which I had. It's not like when you wear it it will come out, or uh, it will be loose from anywhere, so that's not gonna happen. It's once you wear it, you don't need to worry about anything. It's super comfortable, it hugs your body really well, and yeah, so I am keeping it. Then I bought one more top. I don't know why I bought it. I mean, it's comfortable. I mean it's comfortable. I mean, I like the print in the front, this white print, and that really, caught my eyes, and I thought I should, buy it. But I have something similar from H&M, and same style, nothing different, only the border is different. So otherwise, it's super comfortable, super stretchable. It fits you really well. It's not like, it's loose from anywhere. So overall, it's a good product, but I'm not keeping it because I have something similar. So yeah. Then last but not the least, which is this one that I'm currently wearing. It's a tube top with a cut on left side, which makes it so classy, so sexy. You can wear it when you're going on a date, you're going to a party, or to a, you know like anywhere you can wear it, and everyone's eyes are gonna on you if you're wearing this top. I'm telling you, I got so many compliments when people saw me wearing this top, and everybody was like, from where did you get it, share the link and all. And I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret buying this one. So it's comfortable, stretchable, it's definitely not cotton, it's linen, or maybe linen plus cotton, like something different fabric, but it's comfortable. It, it it's the best purchase. I love it, and you're gonna love it too. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Do let me know if you like it, and if you want me to make any videos on any product, makeup, or anything. So do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, stay tuned. Thank you.